Into this world all alone.
Action.
She's a director now?
Skinkenstein lives.
You do know, though, that Frankenstein was the doctor's name, not the monster?
Congratulations, boys. That was the first take of a Red Woody production.
You're a genius.
Yeah. Takes a lot to come up with something like that.
You're working with the sheriffs. I am. But that's about Tara. Something I need to do.
So he knows about Gemma, huh? But she doesn't know that he knows? Well, that's actually stupid too. Why wouldn't she suspect him?
I need a favor. Okay. But I'm gonna want a favor too. About Tara. Anything that can point me in the direction of her killer.
Now I'm not so sure that he knows. For a minute I thought he's doing it to protect Gemma.
What you got in there? Guns and ammo?
Books.
Way more dangerous.
Hey, Gemma, are you taking these?
Oh, I got African crows at home. I'd just shred them into cat food.
What? You don't have to put them in the same cage. You can have two cages, you know?
Who were these guys? How'd you get intel on them?
One of our other charters, Indian Hills, bumped into him a couple times hauling guns back to Nevada. They put the word out right after your buy got hit that they had smack to sell.
We're gonna dig into this. But for now, Henry will keep it to time.
Wait, so were they part of Indian Hill Charter or were they not? Also, was one of them the son of Jerry? I completely missed that connection.
One of our NV charters got the intel. I gave it to Lynn. His crew found them dead with a brick of their age.
Very convenient. Dead alibi. Few kilos still at large.
This doesn't work if we don't trust each other.
Piss off.
We don't have independent business like your club. Leroy sold our street to Pope 3 years ago.
Come on, bro. You was solid before Pope. You saw it after Marx, right?
What if I promise I'll make sure your crew keeps their turf?
What the fuck? Now he wants to kill August too? What? He has done nothing to him.
Maybe this'll make it easier. You move that on your own. Nothing goes to Marx. We'll take a nominal bite. Use the profit to give Purple a base to break away.
Shit. You did hit the Chinese.
Nah, just say it fell off a truck.
Why the fuck would you reveal it to him that you killed the Chinese? What the fuck?
The MC are getting out of guns. They handed over their business to Black. The Chinese are upset about that.
So why kill the wife and not tell her?
When did you come up with this, Wayne? Oh, Juice told him. Never mind. But does he actually believe in that? He's not suspecting Gemma? I really need to know whether he knows or not.
Shit. I thought she was shot.
Me too.
How old is that girl actually?
Christ, really? In front of the baby?
He was sleeping.
And he's like a baby.
So is she, and you're still fucking her.
Hey, boys, this is a friendly conversation. So we all just relax, right?
They'll relax when I tell them to. I know you've been talking to Tyler.
What kind of Marx wannabe is this?
I'm looking for some like-minded allies.
And if you find this ally,
I'd split the spoils of war.
It feels like Jax is going to kill everyone.
He's taking my money again.
No, you're paying me back, you lying little slut. Where's your goddamn wallet?
Get out of here!
Gemma? Gemma!
Here!
Let him What the fuck?
Daddy! Are you okay?
Oh,
I'm
now she's
sorry.
crying for daddy. Oh.
Oh, Christ.
Sorry, Daddy.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
This kid isn't showing any emotion. No matter what happens. Actually, he looks like a psychopath.
What happened to her daddy?
He did a bad thing.
Does my daddy do bad things?
There they are.
Damn, Jax. I say you weren't playing.
I'm all business, brother.
Yeah, sure. Your business days are long gone. It's all about revenge.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Where's the animal that hit you?
He's in the kitchen.
This kid is like a car accident. I can't stop looking at him.
You good, little man?
He came in here and he smacked Gemma.
Mr. Haas says he came by to pick up the money his daughter owed him. They were having a family discussion. Gemma interfered. He told her to back off. Then Mr. Padilla here went to town on him.
Actually, Gemma slapped that guy first. Then he slapped back.
I'm sure we can all work together to keep Charming safe and profitable for everyone.
Did she just offer him
Yes,
a
ma'am.
deal? It sounded like she's willing to take money.
APB on juice is very bad.
Is it? Why?
I'm sure that boy's far, far away.
He's next door, dude.
Sure you want to do this? I have to. You can't back out. Okay.
What are we doing? Camping? About time.
Take care, Bobby. Give my best to Jax.
Will do.
Does he know it was them? Because of the shotgun? Can't there be two shotguns like that?
We're in this together now, brother.
Yeah, you just pulled him
You
in.
understand that, right?
This idiot doesn't even know what it means.
My parole officer needs to see me.
What for? I don't know. Just left a message.
All right, go. Handle it.
That comes out of nowhere. Was that answer? To organize a meeting? With Juice?
Our guys got a call about something black, saw the lock blown off the door. They come in here hot, end up dropping all of them.
We'll dump them in Lincoln Village.
Did nobody see the white guys that followed them?
Collect your crew. We'll meet at the liquor store.
Hey, this is a Mayan problem.
No, carnal. It's a brown problem. And you may not want to believe this essay, but you're in this shit as deep as the rest of us. So be there. Back.
Oh, yeah, let's pull Nero into it.
What are you doing here? Sit down, please. Sit down.
Did he really think a parole officer wanted to meet him in a diner? What?
Jesus Christ. You dumb bastard.
It's the only way I can get you to come alone.
You're way past talking. You should have ran when you had the chance. Boy.
What the fuck has he done that deserves that treatment?
If I were you, I'd get that gun, put it in my mouth, and pull the trigger.
Just because he told Nero the truth when he was high as fuck? Is that the justification behind all this?
I love you.
There's a dozen badges between you and the door.
I count 3. Chips can take 3.
He's lost, son.
You're not calling Chip's son,
I know.
for starters.
That's why he has to go away.
Well, everyone's trying to get him to go away.
Anytime you feel the need to slow this down, we would understand that too.
I'm okay.
I'm sure you are. You're killing people left and right. No matter what side they belong to, but you are alright.
Sometimes I wonder what would have happened if you didn't come back. But then I look at them and I realize it all happened the way it was supposed to happen.
Stop talking to dead Tara. Jesus.
If Jax finds out he was in town, it's just a matter of time before he realizes where he's been staying.
Is he back at the apartment?
I guess so. Well, where else would he go?
Definitely not out of town.
Sheriff?
It's Allie. I'm off duty.
Chubbs. It's Scottish slang for street blade.
God, how old were you?
I was angry 19-year-old.
Well, now that we know each other, let's fuck.
I was expecting intel on Ortiz.
You find the juice is not going to help your investigation. Just trying to help you do your job.
Yeah, I can see that.
I hope she's playing them. That would be a nice twist. Pretending to be a corrupt cop, but actually investigating them.
Hey.
Why did you knock at the back door? Why didn't you come through the front door? Must have production reasons.
Appreciate you helping out.
Oh, of course. You know, any excuse to bake.
Did she ever bake before? I can't remember.
Sorry about today. I had no right getting in your business.
How'd you find out where I lived?
I asked Sandy. I wanted to come by.
I guess the question is, will they kill him or just hurt him very, very badly?
So, what can I get you?
Almost looked like killing.